Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Odyssey with the key. First, familiarize yourself with your key fob's functions, as this will make accessing your vehicle much simpler. It's also a good idea to ensure your key fob battery has enough power. If not, you'll need to find the physical key, which is usually tucked away inside the fob itself. This small key is your backup for manual entry. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the driver's side door lock. Turn the key to manually unlock the door. This method is essential if your key fob battery is completely dead or if the remote functions aren't working. After the door is unlocked, simply open it, get inside your Odyssey, and make sure to close the door securely behind you before proceeding. Now that you're inside, even with a low fob battery, you can still start your Odyssey. Place the key fob as close as possible to the push-button start. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. While holding the brake, push the engine start button. The vehicle system should recognize the key fob's proximity and allow the engine to ignite, getting you on your way. If your Odyssey still won't start, first check the vehicle's main battery, as a dead car battery is a common culprit. Also, always ensure your transmission is securely in park or neutral before attempting to start the engine. And speaking of bringing things to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker can really enhance your home. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. These simple checks can often resolve starting issues quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.